Alright, it's recording. Sweet. Alright. Yeah, it's gonna be towards Home Depot. Let's go. I can actually hear you pretty well. I hope you can hear me pretty well. I'm wearing all the gear that you could possibly wear except pants.
Such a fucking whore. You're such a fucking whore. Oh,
10 minutes away still.
the guy behind us is a little far, so we're good.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Oh, so many fucking bugs.
Bro, this is nothing. Alright, do no hands.
The fuck out of here, bro.
And then just brake with your right foot.
Yeah, fuck that. It keeps every time even like when I lay off the throttle.
Look at that puppy right there. That is adorable. Leave the call. Thank you. Hello. Hello. How you doing? We're looking for an it's a lawnmower blade, 21-inch S-style blade. Yes. I have the old one with me if you want reference. That's the one.
This one right here?
No. It needs an S shape. I saw it online that you had it. That's why I came here. That's it.
This one.
That's the one. Perfect. It's even DeWalt too, so. Know how much this is? Put these. See the difference? Yeah, it seems about right.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
How you doing?
Good, how are y'all?
Just this one. We're good. Trying to enjoy this weather.
Yeah.
41.33. Good day. You want to ride through campus for my work? Let's do it. There's another biker. That's a nice bike. I like it. I'd ride. No, never mind. I don't like it.
Tell me there used to be a girl that used to flirt with you here.
Oh look, they're biking. Do you see them?
Oh yeah, they are.
A'udhu billah. You're being recorded. I hope you know that.
Oh shit. Well, you better cut this shit out. Are we even allowed to be here with the motorcycle?
I am, because I'm still technically employed. Hi guys.
They wanted to be interrupted.
Yeah, I'm good on that. Speed bump.
Oh yeah.
This is where I found that chipmunk. Somewhere here. Or whatever, the hedgehog or...
Yeah. Oh, this is such good.
It is, yeah. Yeah, I don't miss this place, man. It's a nice place, but I don't miss it.
It only needs a vintage work.
True. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's Rocky. It's Rocky. I used to fix the place. Yeah. What's going on, guys? Oh, you remember. All right, there you are. What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys?
Getting ready to, you wasn't coming back because you was finishing up going to do something else. I asked Jeff, man.
No. Everyone knew what was going on. It's just
Hey, Barry, can I go on?
school and everything.
Yeah, I asked about you.
Yeah.
He said he
Appreciate it,
coming
man.
back 'cause you had the,
Bro, Barry, if you're done, let's see.
School.
school
Yeah.
when you was probably about to be done.
Yep.
That's why he
Exactly.
said he didn't think you was going.
Actually, if you don't,
Exactly.
I definitely asked about you.
Yeah. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, he took care of business.
Yeah, I've got to turn mine down too.
Nice.
Don't you remember me?
Yeah, of course. What's going
I
on?
remember you.
What's going on with the security?
You remember him.
Yeah.
He was always coming up here fixing all the stuff you always break.
Exactly. I'm like, I gotta go visit and see what's going on.
Still working? Guess how old I am now?
How old?
17.
Wow.
Still working.
Hey, almost 18, man. Nice.
He used to be the maintenance man.
He
Plus,
was maintenance.
I still am, but it's been a while.
he said it's been a while.
He went to school, baby.
Yeah. I might be back soon. We'll see.
what's your name?
It's Rocky. You're new. Yeah. How long you been here?
What I finally got back.
Last year.
Yeah.
Guess what I finally got
We
back.
got a cop right here.
Oh, nice. Finally, huh?
Guess which one's a cop?
Pops!
Who?
Guess which one's a cop?
It says security right there.
No.
He ain't even.
Just guess out of all of them.
You got a boxing bag now?
Yeah.
All right.
He's right there. Radio. Well, it's his phone.
Where's the cop?
Him!
That's the cop?
The black cat.
All right. All right. Well, I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Just wanted to stop by, say hi.
Charlie gave
They want you to do a wheelie.
I don't know how to do wheelies. What's going on,
Can you
man? How
go
you
real
doing?
fast for them,
I'm
man?
gonna get out of here. Just
Okay,
want
man. Hey,
to
we glad
stop
to
by.
see you, man.
Yeah.
Hope you can make it back, man.
Yeah, for sure. Soon enough,
Hey, can
man.
you go real fast for them, then?
No, he ain't about to be.
I don't know how to do any stunts, anything.
Don't do nothing.
Yeah,
Just ride your bike and have some fun.
exactly.
Oh, yeah, they always go out.
Yeah, they're always there. Yeah.
Everybody come over here and ride them down the hill. Glad to see you. Mr. Charles on vacation.
Yeah, he's on vacation.
Yeah.
Yeah, I talked to him like 2 weeks ago. We're working on something. Yeah. I'm trying to do just self-contracting, just get in and out. We'll see what happens.
Okay. That would be nice, yeah, because I know you don't want to be here.
Yeah, I just want to get in, get out, and be on my day.
There ain't nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Okay, good to see you, man.
All right, it's good to see you guys. Take care. You ready? Yeah, we're just enjoying the day, man. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, enjoy the day. Have a good day.
Let's. Yeah.
What kind of bike is this?
It's 1000 cc CBR. Yeah.
You gonna get a Kawasaki?
What?
Kawasaki?
Nah, this is better.
That's better?
Much better. Yeah? All day, bro. Kawasaki's for starters. Alright. I'll see you guys. What you guys doing? I'm gonna turn you down. I'm gonna go check it out. There you are. What's going on, man?
What's your name?
It's Rocky.
Rocky?
Yeah.
Nice
What's
to meet
happening, man? It's a pleasure,
you.
bro.
Nice Honda.
Thank you, thank
I
you.
love riding the red.
Yeah, I love it, man. I love it.
I can't stay off.
Ooh, that thing is nice too. They're so massive, man.
They're probably about as heavy as what you guys are on.
Yeah.
This is 293 pounds.
Oh no, mine's like
It's like
400,
Okay.
500.
Yeah, those look a lot heavier.
Yeah.
I only rode a Jigsaw 750 and I was scared to death of it. It was terrifying.
Yeah.
It was scary. Yeah, I was first gear was doing like 80 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine is terrifying too. I never go fast. I do, but like,
1,000 liter bike.
yeah, yeah.
Like the CBR too, or
No, that's a Yamaha YZF 600R.
okay, yeah. It's like,
It's the street version of ours. You ever ride dirt bike?
No, actually, I've never.
Really?
It's so
Yeah.
different.
I've had something very small.
That too. Yeah, it's.
You want to try it?
I don't know. Would you let me?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's an old bike. Here.
No way.
If you're riding a liter bike, you're gonna be fine on it. It's just a single cylinder, air-cooled dumper. You'll be fine.
No way. Are you serious?
Yeah, dude, it's all. I don't know. It's about the earth.
Yeah.
It's definitely gonna.
So,
Get
I'll
on.
see if you can start it. It's kind of a bitch to start.
All right. Let's see. Got it.
Yeah, don't be scared to dump it. I do it all the time.
I'm not gonna dump it.
If you do, don't print. A lot less power than what you're on now.
All right. Let's see. Bro, it's so comfortable. No way. This is so comfortable. Unbelievable. I love it. Thank you. Wow, this is actually mad comfortable. I love it. Okay, thank you. I forgot the front brake.
No fronts, only rear. I blew the hose out. You like it?
Yeah, I love it. Where is it? There it is.
Yeah. Dude.
Wow.
And you can ride it on the road.
Yeah,
Dual
bro.
sport.
It's so comfortable.
Yeah, it's like a dual seat. Yeah.
I was sitting there like,
It's sweet, right? Fall over. I'm not
bro,
like, oh,
it's a different experience. A whole different experience.
Try it? No. Fuck the OEM.
How much do they like run for?
I could sell it for 3K.
You want to trade me?
No, I'm not gonna ride beside you.
You like this one? Okay, it's fair. It's fair. Hey, stay safe out there, okay?
How was that?
Thank you for letting me ride it, man.
Dude, like,
Thank you so much.
anytime. Here. Now when you see him riding in the neighborhood, you got some ammo. Why pull him over? Why aren't you riding in the area?
Mm.
Yeah.
Got him. If he's laid out at night, got him.
Hey, you got a case.
That's what I'm saying.
You got a case.
It's
You got a
like,
strong case,
You
man.
would just negate so much of the shit if there was one area where all these kids would go to. They could not ride on the road. They had to stay like within their neighborhood. Up north, it's 20
Yeah.
miles an hour on the shoulder for ORVs. So you could ride this thing to the store up north, just on the side of the freeway.
Yeah.
At 20 miles an hour, you have to do that, and like no one does 20 miles an hour.
I don't even.
Like once you get good at it, but like this is our trainer bike. Front brake is intentionally deleted
Okay.
because when they're trying to learn, they don't know how much to use. It's so much smaller than what
Understandable,
it's
yeah.
like a pinky finger is what you actually need, and you'll just grab it with all your hands,
Yeah.
lock it up, and it's high siding it.
Yeah,
lock
yeah.
your front forks while you're turning, and then you're going this way.
Bro, the
every time.
biggest difference, man. Have you tried?
Like I
A
said, I
street
rode a
bike?
Gigster 750,
Yeah.
and it terrified me. I was like, holy
It is
fuck,
scary,
like,
man.
That's just
It is scary.
that I'll get into trouble because I'm a speed demon. You know what I mean? Like I like to go hard. You want to help with it?
Yeah. Now I'm in.
All right. So find your top dead with your hard kick. Right there. Now decomp. Not your clutch, the lever under your clutch. Yep, now smash it without the decomp.
Oh, smash it?
Well, did you decomp past that? So, look, yeah, decomp in.
Yeah.
One little, that's it.
Okay.
Too far. That's probably too far.
And then up.
Yeah, try it without, yeah, so go up. There.
Oh, okay.
And now let go of the decomp.
Okay.
You're done with that.
Okay.
All the way up, smash it. There it is.
Okay.
And then kick that back in so it doesn't go through your leg. There you go. Gas, gas, gas.
Oh, yeah. Look at it.
There you go.
Yeah, I can hear him right now. How you feeling? He's like, oh, this is scary.
It's different for sure.
He's like, this is scary. Oh,
When
you
in
love it,
doubt,
huh?
Throttle out.
When in doubt, throttle out. Yeah.
I might be low, too. Let me check mine.
Stoplights we're at. There you go.
Oh, that's so
Dude, isn't that so cool?
I love it. I was over there. And
I know,
felt
I
like
saw
was
you.
like,
You're like,
bro,
whoa.
I do not.
To the hill, because your bike wants to go this way, so you just go that way, you're fine.
I felt it.
It's pretty sweet.
Yo, let's see you jump it on that thing.
Hey, put on a brain bucket.
I'm good.
He said,
Avid. Avid.
Crazy. It's just like it feels like you're waterfall. You get up on it.
well, he definitely needs a brain bucket.
5?
What is it? I don't want to intrude too much on you guys.
Full gas. No, dude, you're not.
Is
You're
it-
not imposing.
Is it the same?
Trust me, I want you to. It's kind of the same, yeah. But. No,
Oof, he just jumped that thing. Bro, how you wearing a hoodie?
I'm sweating my fucking ass.
You know, I think I left my bike on. Or the... Is it? Yep. Let's see.
A little more comfortable, eh?
These are pretty, yeah, these are pretty nice. It's weird though. It really is.
That thing's old as hell. It's like an 85.
Oh,
Bottomed it out. It's got like 10 bucks.
Alright. Oh my goodness! Skirt! Ooh. Ah! Oh.
yeah, he just think.
The bike ate his fucking leg up. You extend it,
Somewhere here.
you extend your ankle,
Ooh.
move your ankle in and out.
Yeah. Let me get up. Thank you.
Look at that fucking skid there.
Oh, it's right there.
Thinking about it.
Yep.
That'll be a nasty hematoma.
Whew.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
What the heck is that?
That's what that'll turn into.
I dumped it and it slammed on my leg.
It'll
It
swell
didn't
up
break
good,
it though.
Yeah.
We're in sand.
Huh? Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Just rub some dirt on it. Hold on. We're out of here, boys. I'll see you, man. Take care. Thank you. Oh, man, it hurts. Nice people, man.
Honestly, I would love to come back and
Ouch. Ugh. It hurts, man. I need ice. Ouch. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh, you might have to take the lead on this one. Ah, it's hard to shift. Yeah, shifting fucking kills. Oh. Oh, I gotta stand up somehow. Oh, I'm not cutting the lawn today. I've got to get off the bike, man.
Let's go to the beach daily.
Ooh. Bro, this kills. I can see myself in your reflection. That's hilarious. Bro, it hurts. It's literally shooting up my fucking whole leg. There's no way I can wait. Oh my god, that hurts. Oh, okay. Alright. Oh my gosh. I just put everything away. Took off my shoes. Show you guys the damage. Oh man, that hurts. Doesn't look like much, but it's throbbing. Oh my god. Okay, let me see back here. It was tough changing gears even. Okay, no. I'm trying to do this, but it's so bad. I can't. Alright, I can do it with my hand. Oh my god. Yes. Whew.
There. Okay, well, I'll keep you